Ready to design your dream layout? Here is a quick guide to help you on your way. To start your custom build, first navigate to our Custom Domes page and select your size. From our home page, navigate to Shop and then Custom Domes. For this demo, let's go with the popular 9-meter Stargazer. This takes you to the Configuration tool. Start at the top with the Exterior tabs. Choose your frame finish and the color of your outer cover, as well as an option to upgrade your frame for additional strength or your cover for the appropriate climate or increased strength/lifespan. Next is insulation. We recommend the 4-layer option for year-round comfort. You can also add custom-fitted curtains here. Under Windows, you can upgrade your panoramic view from PVC to glass, or add a glass skylight with a motorized blind for stargazing. In this same section, you will be able to add as many operable windows as you like. These opening windows also come with a screen to keep the bugs out. Now for the door. If you prefer to install your own door, no selection necessary. Or you can choose from our composite wood door in 3 colors, the glass door, or in the 8-meter and up domes, a double door. You will also have the option to add another door, as well as keyless entry. Up next, the Flooring tab. You can add a moisture barrier or select our pine wood flooring kit. Finally, set up your ventilation. This is where you can add things such as a stove jack for a heater or solar fans for airflow, and various sizes of vents as required for your utilities. Once you've selected all your options, your total price is calculated instantly at the bottom. Simply click Add to Cart to lock in your order. This will also save the order to your profile if you have made an account. If you have more questions regarding the layout and some of your options, you can click Consult an Expert, and one of our representatives will contact you.